Welcome everyone. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you everyone for your support. It's getting to be pretty crazy around here. It's holiday season. I got a special unboxing today from Tom Joyner. Yeah, so you can only imagine, right? Tom, your support for this community and this channel it's amazing. It's amazing. So many people here, and there's, I don't even know how to explain the appreciation. I really don't. It's very, very humbling, and I'm very grateful for all the support and all the help and all the friendships that are being made around the world. Whether we get to see each other in person or not, there's a lot of special relationships being made, being built, and getting stronger and stronger every day. And I appreciate it. And Tom, you're one of them, buddy. You're huge for this community, and you're huge for this channel. It's people like you that support this, that you understand it. You understand it. And I appreciate you, Tom. I love you, brother. Enough of that. Let's get this open. I want to see what's in here. I know one. I don't know the exact axe heads or anything like that, but I'm sure Tom left a note in here somewhere, so we're going to search for it. We're going to get the axes out, and we're going to use them right here in this video, right here on this nice GransFors that I just cut up along the road. So let's open it. It's so funny. Every box has been different from you, Tom. I love it. I love it. Different axes, you know, you need different. Oh my. Oh my. Do I need to try to find the note, Tom? I'll be right back. Okay, I found the note. I'm going to read it after. Oh my gosh, Tom Joyner. Look at this. Look at this. Now this is done on purpose, okay? This is a test, all right? Tom has made two of these Adirondack single bits. But look at that. Look at where your hands are as opposed to the blade right there, okay? Okay? I know it looks odd. Tom, that head is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That thing is sweet. It's like a mini Rockaway with the rounded lugs. Tom, you got skills, brother. Look at that. I can't wait to split with it. Look at, oh man, you get power with this. He made another one for Scott Wilson. And it's just gorgeous. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Purple heartwood for the wedge. Look at that. Look at that. What a beautiful handle, Tom Joyner. Oh my goodness sakes. That's unreal, Tom. Throw it in the snow, Fuller. Now I'll never find it again. Okay, I'll bring you back for this. I gotta get that plastic off of that thing. Okay. Tom, this is too much, brother. This is too much. Another one of those little, I mean, I don't even know what you call that, but these axes are amazing. This is a GB. This is a GransFors Bruk, made in Sweden. Oh my goodness sakes, 3.5 pounds. Look at that handle. Oh my gosh. Tom Joyner, I don't even know what to say to you, buddy. I don't even know what to say. That's unreal. Look. I believe another purple heartwood cross wedge. Thank you so much, Tom. Oh my goodness sakes. This is crazy. I cannot wait to swing this. Both of them. In this wood, it's nuts. Here's the note that Tom wrote. Hi, Brother Taz. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas to you. One of the axes is an old GB, GransFors Bruk. It was made in Sweden. It's a beauty. The Adirondack is a true temper. I have only made 2 of these. Please let me know how I can improve on the handle. Don't hold back. Let me know. Love you, brother. Blessings on you and yours from Tom. Tom Joyner. The Tom Joyner. This is unreal. I can't stand it no more. We're going to split with it. We're going to split with both of them. But this Adirondack first. All right, here we go. Adirondack single bit. Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful axe head. For this wood, that profile is awesome. Look, I want to grab it like that. There's a big knot right there. No knot there. Oh, it's nice for getting it out of the wood there for sure, Tom. Set that wood on as far away from you as you can, right? On your chopping block. See how that's going to hit? No messing around there, right? Chopping block for sure. You can see the angle of the bit. The angle of the bit with the handle, right? So now if I split a piece of wood down here, let's look at it. Let's look at this. Can you see that? Hope you can see this. I'm going to make sure. Now if I split that piece of wood on the ground, watch what I have to do in order to make the bit hit flat. Right? If I just come up here and swing like that, see that? In order to make it go flat, I have to go like this. Clear down there on the ground, right? But up here on this chopping block, see that? Oh, you can get such whip action out of that. I'm going to split it right around that knot. Hear that? I mean, that's whip action. That's amazing. Oh, yeah. And for flick, see that? The flick is simple. The flick is simple. It's easier. It's easier with the Adirondack handle. It's easier. You have twist. You have twist here. There. See that? Whack. That is amazing, Tom. Sticks a bit. That's the axe head. That ain't the handle. See those big knots I'm splitting against? That's a nice, that is a beautiful, I'm going to have to swing it for a while, Tom, because right now I don't feel anything wrong with that. You still swing it to, I'm going to split right between those knots, huh? Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. We'll give her another go this way, huh? That is unbelievable, Tom. Unbelievable. It's a hammer, Tom. It is a hammer. Oh yeah. For picking up wood, look, check it out. That's simple. That's a beautiful tool, Tom. It don't take much. It don't take much to pick them up. Right? Splitting it. Tom, this is amazing. That front of that handle is super cool. That's got some strength in it. Strength for days. Here we go. Huh? Oh, it's wicked. I'm telling you, folks, the whip action you can get with that is unreal. Because it rolls into your hand. There, right? Instead of there. You get different pressure points with it. Definitely different pressure points. See that? Never had to bend over, not once. Well, I might have to. Nope. That's beautiful, Tom. Unbelievable. Let's swing that other one for a second. This thing is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that handle. Tom, that's amazing. Light little head. I mean, it's a whip. A whip. All right, let's swing this beauty. This is a little nimble thing. Let's get a piece of this or two. Oh, yeah. That's going to be another nice one for picking up stuff. Yep. That's different. Oh, that thing swings nice, Tom. It's got like a natural flick to it, Tom. It's got a curve in the handle. That thing flicks naturally. See that? I didn't do anything. If I could have just let go of that axe, as soon as it hit the wood, it would have done the same thing. That is a natural flick in that axe. Split it. Split it. You see it? I hope you can see that. Split it again. Hear that? One-handed. That was a nice piece of wood. Glad I just split that. I just split that one piece of wood one-handed. Just trying to pick it up. That's how nice this wood is. See that? You got to see this. You got to watch this. I don't know if I can get it set up good enough so you can see this. I want you to see how this axe, see that axe? Okay, I'm going to swing this axe and I'm not going to do anything. You watch my hands. I'll even slow it down when I do the video. Well, I'll slow it down. But because of the way the handle, it's got like a twist in it down here at the handle. It's straight, but there's a little twist. It's a sideways twist. Check it out. This is, okay, now, there's nothing wrong with this. This is amazing. For splitting wood, small wood, and stuff like that, and you want to do the flick, this is amazing, Tom. Okay, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There, I'm holding the head straight up and down, okay? It's straight up and down right here. But look at that. Look at the twist in the handle right there, okay? Learn these things about your tools. It didn't take me long to figure that out, right? But that's why it does it. Right? Because your hands are going one way and the head is kind of going the other way. So it's a natural flick. Watch it come through the wood. I'm not doing anything crazy or nothing like that, okay? I'm just going to pick this axe up and I'm going to swing it and I'm going to hit the piece of wood, okay? But you can see right there already what it's going to do, okay? And I'm going to let it, hopefully it'll go right to the block, and I'll show you the way it goes through the piece of wood. And I'm not doing nothing. I'm not flicking. I'm not doing nothing. See how it's at an angle like that? See that? It's a natural flick. You don't have to do anything. It's built into the handle. See that? See what it did? It dug right into the side of that piece of wood. And I didn't flick at all. I hit it, and it dug in, and it went so fast and so sharp, it dug it right into that piece of wood. Look what it did. Mid-swing. Mid-swing. Look what it did to that piece of wood. Right? So it's naturally, it's natural. It's a natural flip. Right? See how it hits the wood? How it goes down and hits the chopping block? That's all in that handle. It does it every time. It does it every time. It's amazing. You can hold it. I can hold it steadier. It's a natural flick. That's crazy. That is crazy, Tom. Absolutely crazy. Thank you so much, Tom. I'm gonna end it there. thanks for watching, everyone. Thank you, Tom Joyner, for these special axes, these special tools. They're amazing. Tom, you do phenomenal work. It just gets better and better, buddy. Better and better and better every time. Every time. The craftsmanship, the beauty, the head selection. Tom, it's like, I don't know. Tom, you're special. You are a special person. You know that, sir? You are. It's amazing. It's amazing. Look at those two beautiful tools. Like I said, I know it might look odd, but I'm here to tell you, odd or not, it works. It absolutely works. That Adirondack, that thing is sick. And Tom, the natural flick, this is the flicka. This is flicka. There's no doubt about it. Flicka. I'm going to put it on there somewhere. Flicka. Flea fly flicka. Beautiful, beautiful tools. Tom, I'll swing this more. I can't wait. I cannot wait to swing them both more. But look, see the design? Of course, this one's longer. And that's perfect length too, Tom. That don't hinder me one bit. The whip action that you can get with that thing makes up for that lighter head. I love it. A GB. Unbelievable. Flicka. Flicka GB. GB Flicka. Yeah, that's it. GB Flicka. Oh, I can't wait to have other people swing that. At like Tazapalooza and stuff, just to see what they think of that. That's crazy. There's something to that. There is something to that with this wood. I would say even with hardwood. Splitting hardwood around the outside edges, that would be killer. Whack, 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 whack. There's no force on your hand. There's no force on your hand to do that. Nothing. No flicking, no pressure on your wrists or nothing. Anyway, there'll be lots more to come with these two, for sure. Awesome. I love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Right? Yeah. Woo-hoo, I love y'all. What a blast.